blessings. And grabe yung hard work mo rin. Grabe the hard work you put in, Andres.
Yes. You know, everything that we did, that I did as well to get to this point, everything that Ash did to get to this point, you know, we sacrificed a lot and worked hard to really put out the film that we hope that you guys can enjoy. And we're just really appreciative and truly blessed to say that we're grateful for everything that's happened along the journey. And it's been a ride, you know, but it's just the beginning and there's a lot more to come. So,
Sold out after sold out daw, ah.
Oh, grabe. Alam niyo po, tulad ng sabi ni Andres kanina, binigay talaga namin yung puso namin dito. Kaya sobrang gantong support na natatanggap namin. Grabe lahat ng pagod, lahat ng hirap na wala talaga.
What was your conversation like backstage?
ayun nga, it's just,
Habang naglalakad kami, sabi niya, nagsiki na sa'yo? Hindi ba? Sa kanya din, hindi ba?
parang it hasn't sunk in for the both of us yet. And, it's crazy namin talaga.
Lalo ba i-love yung fans mo sa'yo, yung Astres? Grabe!
Yes, and we're so appreciative talaga of all the people that have supported me and have supported Ash. You know, it's really kakaiba talaga and we really appreciate you.
What do you want the fans to take away from the film?
Madami. Kasi gusto namin ipakita dito, hindi lang yung beauty ng pagmamahal. Kundi hindi lang siya lagi puro saya. May mga problems din siya. And makikita dito kung paano dapat nila i-handle pag na-experience nila yun.
Yes, ako naman, I want the fans to take away na love is worth it. You know, I think that's the whole premise of this film. It's about how great and how important love is in all of our lives. And I think we can all relate when I say this. So, how worth it is love?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. All your fans are there. Enjoy the night. Enjoy this. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, he's just excited. He's overwhelmed, and I just want to congratulate Andres, of course, and Ashley and the whole cast, no, and direct. Congratulations sa lahat. Viva, congrats.
Best lesson so far na binigay mo kay Andres. I feel na he took to heart.
Masyadong madami yun.
Oh.
Hindi tayo matatapos dito. You know, I think believing that we brought them up well naman, and so kung ano yung ginagawa nila ngayon is, that's them already. So yung mga advices naman na binibigay namin are just all normal, mahirap ikwento, but that's you know, that's all him now. Even Natasha also, that's all her.
Oh,
So,
grabe. They're the right now. What did you ever, of course you wanted that day, but now it's here as a parent. How proud are you na?
I am. Una-una, I'm grateful sa lahat ng fans, sa lahat ng...
Grabe sila sa'yo. Alam nila lahat ng move mo. Kahit may cryptic post ka, nahulaan nila kung saan.
Basta para sa inyong lahat yan, para sa inyong lahat yan. And I'm just happy that, you know, para what I experienced before, and, you know, parang Andres is going through the same experiences. So I'm just happy. Maraming salamat po talaga. Sa'yo rin, MJ. Thank you for always being
for Andres. And,
TV5, Viva, thank you sa inyo lahat.
thank you. We'll just get a photo of you guys. Hi! Congrats! Sobra! You look beautiful. Grabe. You look